So I will quickly create one equipment with SFM. Okay, and let's see these views we are getting or not. Selection IN or let's IP01. Okay, okay. We have selected for I think functional location category. Selection title 0. Okay. SFM. Where we have done this configuration. SSM system. I will save this. SFM. Okay. Set your profile. Okay, okay. General data, technical object, functional location, equipment, equipment category, maintain equipment category. Okay, just a moment. For equipment, we need to activate or we need to, yeah, that's why it's not updating. We need to assign that SFL here. So, I will copy the existing entry. Z, copy, the profile will be S, okay. Closer. Okay, set with profile for technical object. Yes, we got on that screen. So, matrix, equipment, profile SSM, enter, activity, new matrix, 10, 20, 30, 40 is not there, right? Tab, A, 100, or 20, it's location, 15, 30, responsibility, 40, enter, okay. I will save this SFM, okay. SFM got saved. I will close this. Okay, profile SFM. Okay, set view for technical object. So SFM is there right now, and we have some layout for SFM. So what we need to do? We need to assign the equipment category for SFM. Let's see we can use it or not. So based on the practice, you will perform that activity. Again, it's not a repeated activity. So I will go back. Okay, SFM. Yeah, SFM is there. So for Z type equipment, our profile will be SFM. Okay, so let's see. Enter. Okay, target key must be different source. Okay, no issue. Cancel. We will again delete this, save this, and we'll create again. So we'll copy machine, we will change it to Z, and we'll change the profile at which profile? SFM. You understand? Or
Yes, I understood.
okay. So again, I will quickly create the equipment. IT01 with my equipment category as a Z. Okay, this is one. And again, I will open the new screen with, I will create with M, category as a M, where you can see the difference. So, system is very slow. Let me come back from configuration.
So for machine category, the tabs will be different. SFM category, the tabs will be different.
Correct, correct. Okay, so that is the error we are getting. Okay, no internal number range defined. So for Z equipment category, there is external number range. No issue, no issue.
Okay.
So hydraulic H press 01. Enter. Again, external number range. No external number is also. Yeah, I think we are getting number range error.
Machine category.
Yeah. So basically, we need to give the number range because I don't want to go in the number range because it's taking some time. That's why I was just trying to show you with the same category, but system is giving me the error for that category. Basically, step is very safe. For any object, otherwise do one thing. I will change the standard and we will again maintain it as it is, right? So you understand. I use it. Okay, so how many tabs are there? General, location, organization structure, and other for category M. Okay, so for category M,
We just edit.
let's yeah.
Category.
M category, correct. So basically, just a moment, technical object, equipment, define field selection. Okay.
Category.
Okay, category, maintain equipment category. Okay, for M, profile is MACH, right? MACH. So we will make the changes in MACH and we will find what changes has been done. So what is meant by MACH? Just select and activate. So see, I will do one thing. I will add something here. User data. I will add user data already there.
Responsibility.
Okay. Partner. Okay. Full screen warranty. Internal note. Responsibility. I think already there, right? 35. Already there. I will do one thing. Long text. This is not there. I will update long text as well as document subscript. Okay. and I will save this. Save this. Okay. So let's see. This is equipment. In other tab, you have only user data. Correct? Just see the difference now. Because no need to play with number range right now. It will take near about 1 hour. So I use 01 machine enter. Just go other. See, long text and link document is there.
Okay.
It's for just understanding. If in interview they will ask you basically how you can set view profile for the technical object. So you should tell in the interview that basically in set view profile of technical object, there are 2 to 3 steps. First of all, you need to check what is view profile display screen existing.
Profile.
Yeah, existing profile. What are the screens available? So there are
Okay.
4 screens available. And what will the business requirement? They want 6 screens, 7 screens. So after that, you need to just go to equipment category, and on that category, you need to assign that view profile.
Okay.